Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video is how I plant Pugster blue and all the other varieties, butterfly bush or Dahlias, here in Northeast Ohio. These three Pugster blue were planted about this time last year. So this is the first full season for them, and they're at least double, maybe triple the size they were last year. Now this is the first time I've ever had success. You know, as I said, 2008 I had thyroid cancer and I quit gardening. And prior to that I had tried butterfly bushes and they didn't come back. They didn't make it through our wet, cold winters and springs here. And I think I figured it out why. Here in Northeast Ohio, because we get so wet, we get like 39 inches of rain annually, and I think most of that comes in the spring and the fall. And I think we average 50 plus inches of snow. That's the average each year. But because it's so wet and cold in the winter and spring, and butterfly bushes are susceptible to root rot or crown rot. So I think I was planting them too high too low. I was planting them level with the ground. And I had to I just discovered that it's best here in Northeast Ohio to plant them higher than your existing soil. So these, I don't know if you'll be able to see with these, sorry for the picture there, but yeah, you can't really see that I've got them quite a bit higher than the existing soil around them, so that the moisture won't set in the crown and rot the roots out. And this seems to have worked, because this is the first year I've had butterfly bushes come back after the winter. And these three are doing great. They're loving this spot. So other than planting them high and then pruning them this spring and fertilizing them with Espoma organic fertilizer, those are the things I did different, and this is how they have responded. They're loving this full sun spot. In fact, let me go ahead. This is bed 2, new bed 2 of the 6 new beds that I did. I showed you the other video had 1 bed in it. So let me show you what's in this bed. So far, it's those 3 butterfly bushes, Pugster butterflies. Here is a Dahlia that's obviously loving this spot. Here's some Rockin Fuchsia, an annual. Had a couple annuals left over and so I planted them here, and they have taken off and gone to town in the last month. Here's a Karley rose, fountain grass, ornamental grass, that's on this corner of this bed to match the one over there on that corner of that bed that I previously showed you. And here's some cat's pajamas Nepeta that I just planted a couple of weeks ago. Sorry if I'm moving too fast. There's one of those little tiny boxwoods. That's how much it's grown in a year. There's also in here, that's being kind of smothered by these Dahlia at the moment, is a Lemon Meringue Baptisia. I think's how you say that. There's 2 of those in there, and there's another one right there. I don't know if you can see it or not in this video. Here's Coralberry Bush, loaded with little flowers, about to become pink berries. There's a tomato plant I stuck in here that has fruit on it. And this, let me back up a little bit. This is Heptacodium Miconioides, I think's the scientific name. Common name is Seven Suns flower. Also, you might hear it called Temple of Bloom. This is a shrub / small tree. I plan on shaping it up to a multi-trunk tree that'll get about somewhere between 10 and 20 feet tall, I believe. Over the years it grows about 2 foot a year so far. See if I can show you the new growth on it. This whole stem right here, right there, all the way up to there is the new growth. And they're all have grown about that much. There's another boxwood, another dahlia that's budding up, hasn't bloomed yet. Another boxwood, some more Rockin Fuchsia Salvia, and a ornamental grass called Blackhawk. Yeah, it's part of the Big Blue. Supposedly in the fall has purple, almost black grass. So that's it for the moment for this video and this bed. There's still, as you can see, lots of room to plant more stuff, and constantly you'll be changing, I'm sure. But thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.